Hey everybody, it's Eric. Video was off today. I got a little bit of a cold, so not going to show my face as I'm not feeling well, but I wanted to kind of step through this trade I'm looking at today. So it is Monday, August 21st, 2023. We're about 15 minutes before the open. I have SPY here just so we could see that we are looking to gap up a little bit. If we look at SPX, that means we're probably going to open around, let's call it 4380, give or take. We could see a little bit of, follow through in the first 5-10 minutes. We'll see. But what I'm looking to do basically off the open is sell an out of the money call spread, probably around 4,400, give or take a few points, with the idea that we're most likely going to pull back off of the gap up and probably trade mostly range bound today. And if I look at the alpha crunching forecast for the day, this kind of shows we've had over the last several weeks, Mondays have been kind of a low point of volatility for SPX. So I'm really looking to maybe get into an iron condor. So if I can get into the call side on the gap up, and then on any kind of pullback, consider selling a put spread on that side to leg into an iron condor. The VIX is also up about 3% this morning. So we'll see what happens. I will update the video in a little bit, and I'll talk to you then. All right, so we're about 15 minutes into the open, and I went ahead and took a starter position really right at the open. So let me pull this down. I entered right at the open, the 0 DTE, August 21st, 4,400, 4,405 call credit spread. So I sold the 4,400. This is where that level is, and I bought 5 points higher. I got a credit of $1.25 for my starter position. Why didn't I go a full position? Well, I usually like to let the dust settle especially from the weekend, and we were getting a gap up, and I thought, well, maybe this thing can push all the way to 4,400. We did push higher. I'm actually down slightly in the trade, although we're starting to get the pullback now. But I'm ultimately just still looking to short or go long, basically extreme moves or contrarian style, because again, the forecast is showing just kind of sideways choppy action. So one of the things I did in the previous video or the previous section, I had my trend indicator on, which I've been using this UT bot, which is pretty cool, but I'm not really looking for a trend today. I'm not trying to trend trade because the forecast is not forecasting a trend day. Doesn't mean we can't have a trend day. It's just that's not what I'm looking to trade today. So I'm in the 4,400, 4,405 call credit spread for $1.25. This is a 5 wide, by the way. And we're going to let the market play out. I went ahead and put a 50% max profit target on there. So if I can buy the spread back for 65 cents or so, then I will. Otherwise, I'm waiting for a pullback to potentially sell put credit spread so I can ultimately get into an iron condor. So I'll update in a little bit. Talk to you then. Okay, I'm back and I've hit the 50% profit target. I went and took the dogs for a walk. My phone beeped and realized we got this little bit of a sell-off, and this was enough for my out of the money call spread to be worth about half of what I entered at the open, which was $1.25. I bought it back for 65 cents. So now I am out of the CCS or call credit spread. And, we're approaching this gap fill. Because I don't feel that well, I might just ignore the rest of the day because I've already made a little bit of money, but I'm going to see how it goes. Right now, we're finding some support here. The VIX is still up. We have Jackson hold. There's a lot of things going on this week. I think we probably hold, but if we sell off a little bit more and I can get something around 43.50, 43.60 on the put side, I might take that. But that's it for this trade. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.